Hello guys, today I am going to provide some sort of important tips and submission process towards National Innovation Contest 2020. Okay, so you are seeing this National Innovation Contest 2020 homepage. Simply type mic.gov.in innovation contest. So this is the page. Here try to understand we have three themes of submission. One is idea, second one is POC, and third one is prototype and or innovation. So the deadline for submission process is 21st June 2020, 21st June 2020 for POC, and 30th June 2020 for prototype and innovation. Remember guys, an important point, this is only for the students from UG to PhD, whoever having institution innovation council at your institutes. Let us see what exactly we are going to do in this contest. For example, let us say you are here, like you are trying to submit your idea, and you need to identify some sort of problems uh, by your field visit or nearby, or whatever you feel is the problem. If you want to provide the solution, you can get out here, and depends upon the ideation workshops and how to submit your ideas and how to write ideas, everything will be like given here, and some sort of workshops will be given. And the students whoever submitted their ideas or POCs or prototypes to ISCs, they can select the best ideas by some sort of a process, like maybe demo day or something else like that. And like identifying some the components which falls under the IP category also, like evaluated here. And then like there will be some sort of workshop on how to develop the prototype from your ideas, and selection process will be completed at this phase. And what are the selected ideas are there, or nominated through ISC portal of every institute. And there will be a regional mentoring sessions to all the selected shortlisted ideas or POCs from the institutes. And if they selected, they will invited to participate in national level boot camp and exhibition of their ideas and POCs. And then if they are again shortlisted, they are supported with startup formation and as well as funding. And further, these ideas or prototypes or POCs by the students whoever submitted will be supported in Indian startup ecosystem to start up their companies. Okay, so like what are the benefits for the students and the faculty here? See, they will receive the mentorship and guidance. Every student will receive the mentorship and guidance, and they will have some sort of training and exposure, as well as they will receive some sort of funding and incubation supports nearby. And also they will receive some sort of badge from MHRD AUCTE, like innovation ambassador badges. And whoever participated in this event, they will definitely receive the participant certificates if they get selected from ISCs. They will also get some sort of recognition at the national level. And the finalist of IAC National Innovation Contest will be eligible to participate in upcoming early stage startup contest of IAC MHRDs. Okay, and here there will be some sort of benefit to faculty, like innovation ambassadors will get some sort of reward points whoever mentoring the students. And the best performing innovation ambassadors will get recognition at national level, as well as e-certificate will be provided by MHRD IACs. And for the institutes, there are some benefits. If we get minimum 50 ideas and 25 POCs and 15 prototypes, MHRD will be given as the 5-star rating for entering into the 2.0. As well as IAC Institute may report this is an MHRD innovation driven activity, and this is all for the institutes and the faculty. And recognition of 100 numbers of top performing IIC institutes during IIC 2.0 at the national level based upon the annual score and the star ratings. So how many ideas submitted through the institutes, that many points will be given by MHRD's ISCs. and the students need to concentrate on the themes given here. There are 10 themes and one theme is out of all the 10 themes: healthcare, agriculture, smart vehicles, food processing, robotics, drones, and clean potable water, renewable energy, IoT based technologies, and AI, ML, blockchain, cognitive computing. And if anything is false rather than these 10 themes, we can submit as other emerging areas. Okay, and so I will show you the submission process quickly here in this home page of National Innovation Contest 2020. You will find the participate button, or you can directly submit your idea, POC, prototype here. Anything you can click. So I will go for participate as the first time, and here the page will be open. So it asking about email ID and verification code. Till we didn't receive any verification code. For that, what we need to do, we need to register for here. So if you click registration form, you will select your state as well as which institute you are belongs to. I belong to Vishnu Institute of Technology, so I am selecting, and my name is Mahbub Hussain, and I will provide my email address here, and simply click register. If you click register, your email ID get an verification code. Okay, right, and now you might get a verification code here. Now you can simply type your email ID provided and your verification code received through your email. I am simply login. Right, here 3 themes are available. It shows 3 themes. One is idea submission, POC submission, prototype submission. Okay, first of all, if you have only an idea to submit, simply click on this idea submission. Okay, it's redirecting to this page. This is the idea submission page, and enter your team lead name here, and team lead phone number and gender. Okay, and you need to write here the title of the idea. Okay, whatever the idea you have chosen, give a title and write it here, and don't forget to select the theme here. For example, if you fall under robotic and drones, select it, or else if you not belongs to these type of themes, simply select other emerging areas. And you need to write description of your problem as well as the solution, and you need to submit an file here. What is the file? Here there is a format to submit your idea. So where you can find the format? This abstract format. Simply click on that. Right, so before going to submit, you need to download this form. So however, you are going to write the team lead details, and if you have any members, write it down. Better like choose one of the goal in this team members, and then select mentors if any from the institute. Like so if you have already participated in Smart India Hackathon 2020, it will be very easy to submit the process, because you know what is the idea and what is the POC and everything, and you know the mentors also. So you can write the mentor name here. Maybe mentors are nothing but your faculty members mostly, and you write institution name and address here. Now coming to the important point of idea submission form, you need to understand some things here. Name of the idea, proof of the concept, everything you need to write here, and the theme whatever you have trying to select from here, you need to write here. And however, it is provided at annexure 1, that is nothing but at the bottom of the page. Okay, where we are, right. So defining the problem, that is nothing but like what exactly your problem is and how it is relevance to the society or the market or industry needs. How your idea is providing solution to the market, society and industry, you are going to write here. And you need to propose the solution. So how you are going to provide the solution to the problem, everything you can write under 100 words here. Also, if your idea is about a process or product or service, just simply write 100 words here. What about your product or service and how it is innovative and unique with different products. For example, let us say if you are proposing a model of drone technology, like how so many drones are there now available, how unique it is, how what are the unique features you have, you need to write it here. And how is your proposed product, process or service being different, better from similar product, you also write here. And this is nothing but like describe product or service and write how it is innovative and unique to your field. This is how unique is comparing to your other similar products. And remember guys, if your idea is a technical idea and the evaluators are expecting TRL, that is nothing but technology readiness level, in some sort of points. For the idea level 0 to 2 is required. For POC level TRL is up to the third level. I will show what is 0 to and what is the third level of TRLs. And the second part, like feasibility of idea or POC solution, you need to specifically mention here what are the futures of your idea or your product. And in the B part, like measurable, and you need to mention mention the approach that to how you are going to convert your idea into the prototype. Okay. And the third one, attainable, and you need to explain here how we are going to achieve your prototype development objective with available resources at your place. For example, if you want to manufacture a small drone for carrying some sort of medicine or something else, how can you can able to achieve your product with your resources available at your right place, you can write it there. And depends upon your idea and your POC, you can mention it here. And how it is realistic, like for example, let us say if you want to develop some sort of product, like what is the skill set required, and where you are going to learn, and what are the resources, everything you can write it here. And how much time it will take, you should mentor here, you need to mention at this particular part. And timeline is very much important. For example, let us say if you are developing a prototype or a product, or if you have an idea, like how much time it will take and what are the timelines. For example, definition of your solution, and checking up feasibility, and developing a prototype and testing, and in how much time of span you are going to develop your complete product or prototype up to the startup level or commercial age. Commercial is nothing but if your product is ready, you need to sell it in the market. Up to that part, how much time it will require, maybe 1 year or 6 months or 8 months, whatever it may be, you feel, you can simply write down. So better I will take a chart here, and as per the chart you can simply mention here. And usability, like applicability of the solution, it having the 10 marks. For example, usability, how good your product is usable in the society or in the market, what is the level of acceptance of your current innovation, and what are its excellent features, you can mention here. And how scalable your product is, in the market level. See, whatever the solution you have, whatever the technology you have, always compare, always analyze with the market strategies. Because in final, for example, if you want to start up your company, mostly your innovations will help the society, as well as you need to stand up in the market for the profits. For that you need to always align with this market strategies. And how much economic sustainability is your product, how much potential in the market if your product is ready, and whether your product is aligned to the environmental friendly or not. For example, if you are creating any some sort of motor or engines, what is the emission, and how much green effect will be, everything you can provide the information here. And if your product is intellectual falls under the IPs, you need to mention here. why it should be like intellectual property, and what is the unique one, and what is like associated with your innovation. If there is an IP like issue is there, you can mention here. And we can also, and it is an optional, like define the potential market size. Market size is nothing but like how much impact you can create in the market in coming days if your product is get released in INR, you can mention here. Okay, this is annexure 1. These are the 10 themes given, like, and this is the important point I mentioned earlier here. If your idea is in technical thing, your TRL should be in between 0 to 2 level, and or if POC, it will be in TRL 3 level. Okay, let us see. TRL 0 is nothing but it's simply an idea. There is no proven concept or no testing. If you are thinking like that, I want to do something like this, there is no proof for that, and there is no testing has been performed. This is nothing but falls under TRL 0. It is technology readiness level. And TRL 1, basic research, and it should consist of some sort of principles postulated, and there are no experimental proof available. TRL 2, technology formulation has been done, and if there is a concept and application has been formulated, it will falls under TRL 2. For TRL 3, applied research, first laboratory test has been completed, and there will be some sort of proof of concept, guys. Okay, so likewise you need to check out in which stage your idea or the prototype or POC falls under. Okay, and the last TRL is fully commercial application, readily product available in the market, is the TRL 9. And this is about idea submission form here. After filling all the things, you simply convert into PDF and submit in at this part. Okay, so this is the first one. I am going to the second one, POC submission. This is also having an document here as same as the idea submission level. You can fill it up there, and I will show you. Product or service, you can simply fill all the fields here and directly submit your POC, proof of concept of submission. Like if you want to directly add, click here, like this is a extra button, you can, if you click it, same will be comes here, anything is okay. Okay, you can submit here, and we'll see the third one, prototype submission. So if you open the prototype submission, here the submission process is somewhat different. You can write your team name here, team lead, phone number, select general. If you already see, two buttons are there here, upgrade existing POC to prototype, or directly add the prototype here. If you have already given some sort of POC in the second thing, you can directly click here to upgrade yourself. For example, like if you have given any title, the title will be given and proceed, or else like a button will be there here. If you have directly prototype, simply click here. That means if you have a product. So the submission form is somewhat different. Team details, mentor details, and issue details are same in the form. So there in first two themes you have downloaded the form and written, but in prototype submission all the fields in given online, you can simply enter all the details here, and in finally you can submit your things. Everything is same, all the fields are same from idea submission, POC, as well as prototype submission. So the submission process is same. This is about IAC National Innovation Contest 2020 submission process. Okay, so once again, this is open for only the institutes having MHRDs, innovation cell, institution innovation councils at their institute level. Okay, all the students of your institute from UG to PhD are eligible. Three themes are there: idea, POC, prototype submission. Each and every theme having its deadline, 21st June for idea, 21st June for POC, and prototype and innovation having up to the 30th June. Okay, so try to understand the complete process. And one thing I would like to tell you guys, like mm, if you really want to start up your company, like if you have a dream to start up your business, this is the right time. And if you have any innovative idea towards the given themes, simply submit it. Okay, and you might be selected, and there will be a lot of support of funding, as well as you can enter into the Indian startup ecosystem. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our